welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're gonna talk about something that I myself was super duper skeptical about. I would see posts about this, not even this brand, just in general, at home laser hair removal, and I was like, okay, like I did not believe it. But then I was like, you know what? Let me actually try it to see if it actually works and I can stop just like being so judgy. This is an at-home laser hair removal system. It is by the brand Kenzie. I have always wanted to get laser hair removal, but it is so expensive. Okay, there are some things that I don't mind spending a lot of money on, and then there's other things where I'm like, oh, no ma'am, no. So I was like, all right, let me give it a try, let me see. And I am happy to report that I have way less hair than I did when I started 5 weeks ago. You do need a full 12 weeks to see full results from this thing, but within just the 5 weeks, I've already noticed a difference in my hair on my legs and my arms, and my underarms is where I've been using it myself. I think I noticed the biggest difference when I was going into week 5, that I was like, oh, wait a minute, like where are my leg hairs? Where are they at? I don't know about you guys, but I am Italian and I am hairy AF. Like, yeah. When I say that I'm hairy, like when I was a child before I started shaving and like we were going through puberty and everything, it looked like I had King Kong in a headlock. Like I was like, why am I so hairy? And I have to thank my dad for that. So Dad, if you're watching, thank you for that. My mom has no hair, okay? She has Cherokee Indian in her and she just has no hair whatsoever. So I don't think my mom really understood my struggle when I was growing up. I secretly was shaving my legs in I think like 5th grade and she didn't know about it, and then she found out and she like threw all the razors away and like didn't want me to shave my legs, and I was like, oh my god, my mom doesn't understand my struggle because she is like a hairless mole. Like I literally, she has no hair. But yeah, I'm just really hairy. And my hair is dark. It's not like I'm hairy and have blonde, cute hair. No. My hair is black. And I have just been pleasantly surprised at how good this guy is working for me. You can use this on areas like your bikini line and all that jazz. I have not ventured down there yet because I'm still like, let me just do what I like to do. This guy does have 5 settings on it. You turn it on back here and then you can just click this and it will adjust your settings. It has a setting from 1 to 5. 5 is going to give you the best results, but you may want to work yourself up to it because when I first started, I tried it on 1 and I was like, okay, I can handle. 2, I was like, oh, not a problem. I went to 3 and I was like, oh, this is a breeze. So I skipped 4 and went straight to 5, and as soon as I zapped myself with it, I was like, ah! So I had to go back down to 4, but I am currently using it on 5. It is like, if you've never had any kind of laser hair removal or any kind of laser treatment in general, it is a very weird feeling. It's like a little zzz, like a little zap. On this guy between 1 and 4, I don't even feel it. As soon as I crank it to 5, I'm like, ah! But I know that I'm gonna get the best results by using it on 5. So not only does this guy remove hair, but it also helps with the reduction of wrinkles, blemishes, dark pigmentation. If you're not familiar with what an IPL system is, it is a light therapy that's transmitting different wavelengths to various parts of your skin, which is helping to reduce the appearance of blemishes, wrinkles, dark spots, and of course hair. I'm a little disappointed in myself that I waited so long to try one of these because the skeptic inside of me was just like, no way could something be as good as you getting it done at like a med spa or something like that. But again, I'm only on week 5, guys. Like I cannot wait to see week 12. It gets me a little excited to use it because I know that I'm gonna be like hairless on my legs and I won't have to shave my legs. Like, hallelujah. I feel like Jeremy's gonna be excited about that too because like in the winter months, I'd be like, oh no, I'm just wearing sweatpants. What do I need to shave my legs for? I've also been in a relationship for 10 years, so we're very comfortable. So before I cut to the vlog footage of me actually using this baby, I wanna just give you guys some like tips. What you wanna do is you're only gonna wanna use this once a week. You don't want to like overdo it on your skin, so just be very cautious. Make sure that you're not going in the sun after you use this guy. Make sure that you don't have any self-tanner on before you use this guy, and you're gonna want to avoid using it over any tattoos that you might have, or if you have any like dark moles on your skin, you wanna kind of avoid lasting the light right on there. But if you have like freckles or anything, like I have freckles like all over my arm, light freckles are totally okay to use with this guy, but just be cautious if you have like any dark moles or anything, like you want to like steer clear of them. And what else? Like I said, you don't want to have any self tanner on when you're using this, and if you are going to do self tanner, you want to make sure that you're doing it like 48 hours after you use this bad boy. Again, remember, you're only going to use this guy once a week. All right, so let's cut to some footage of me using this bad boy, and you guys can see for yourself how easy it is to use. I'm just disappointed in myself that I did not start using this longer. The amount of time and years that I have spent shaving my legs when I could have just been clicking away. Hello. So I'm gonna try this IPL like at home laser hair removal situation for the first time, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous, but hopefully it works and hopefully it saves me time on having to shave my legs, because I am the hairiest lady alive. So the first thing that it says to do is to shave your legs as close as you possibly can. So let's do that. It says you should never aim this directly at your eyes, and your skin may be slightly red after using it. Remove any artificial tan. If you have been tanning, you should wait 2 weeks before using the Kenzie. This may increase your risk of a reaction. Wait 48 hours after using the Kenzie. So you just turn it on here on the back. You just click that button once. You can hear that it's on. And then if you press the green button, it's going to change the window up here to let you know the intensity that you're on. So I'm gonna start on 1 because I'm scared. Okay, 1. And it says that when you push it onto your skin, you'll see that little window turns pink, and that's how you know. It just feels like hot. Not even really hot. I don't even know how to explain it. It doesn't really feel like anything. See that little flashing light? That's how it knows that it has contact with your skin. So I just wait till I see that little light. Ooh, I feel like it's more sensitive in some places than in others. And again, it doesn't hurt. It just feels like a little hot, like a little warmth. It won't fire if it doesn't have contact with your skin. So like if I'm like this, you know, like I'm not touching my skin, it won't go. This is like the only place in the bathroom where the light looks good. So first treatment down, definitely kept it on 4. I couldn't crank it all the way up to 5. It was just too intense. I tried it off camera and I was like, oh, no. So hopefully as the time goes on, I'll be able to crank it up to 5. But if you've had any kind of laser removal process, if you've had any kind of laser treatment on your face, I feel like it's very similar to that. Like it doesn't hurt. It's just like a weird little zing. Like you definitely feel it, but it's definitely tolerable. So I'm excited to see the process. And if this stops me from having to shave my legs, can't wait. I also said if you have tattoos to avoid using the machine over your tattoo, so I'm just gonna skip over that. I mean, I don't really have hair here. I mean, maybe a little bit. Like, we'll just... So one more time, if you haven't got it enough, I am super duper impressed with this Kenzie at home hair removing system. Like I am just so shocked at how effective it is in actually removing the hair and keeping it gone. Like just from week 1 to week 5, I've seen such a major difference in the amount of hair growth that I have. So I will report to you guys back, probably in a vlog or something, around week 12 and then see how it goes from there. And then I want to go from like week 12 and then like do like 3 weeks without and see if it really has stopped my hair growth. So I will link all the important information down below. If you guys want to check out this Kenzie product, I highly recommend it, especially if you're someone like me who is just hairy and you don't want to shave, but you also don't want to go spend all that time at a med spa getting laser hair removal when you could just do it yourself at home. You know me, I like to do things at the house myself because I don't really like to leave. I like to stay here, you know, with like peeps and the cats. So that is it for me. I don't think I have anything else to tell you guys except I love you and I will see you super soon in another video. Bye guys.